Today we are going to see iron removal plant with water softener with RO plant for a flat of 6 units. This is where the unit is. We'll just open this door and we'll see the unit now. And this is the unit. Initially what happened is here they had iron water problem, and we had installed two iron removal plants, which you see the cylinders, which is 1 and 2, which is for iron removal plants. Both were automatic, and we had a softening plant at this place where this RO plant is standing. But actually because the TDS was very high and the hardness was very high, they moved into an RO plant for still more comfortable water. So we'll see how this unit is installed and how this works. The borehole water, this is pumped into the underground sump here. From this sump, through an open well submersible pump, the water is pushed into this first filtration cylinder, which removes the iron from the water, and second one also from here it moves to the second filtration cylinder, which is also removes the iron from the water. And these two both are automatic, so that the whatever the dust impurities which are collected in the cylinder is automatically backwashed and pushed to the drain. And after this, the water passes through this RO plant. This is a 500 liters per hour commercial grade RO plant with two membranes at the back side. And from here it goes to the micron filter, which is beneath down in the unit down here. And from there it goes to the high pressure pump here. And from the high pressure pump it goes to the membrane, which is at the back side down there. And those two are the membranes what you see down there. And it is getting pressurized up to 13 bar, and the salt separation happens, and the wastewater goes to the drain line, and the pure water passes through the UV, which is listed there. This disinfects the water from bacteria and virus, and then it goes to the overhead tank finally. And from the overhead tank it is distributed to the entire flats.